Y'all. FedEx is so irritating. Like, why did I have to cuss these people out yesterday? Because they came to my house 2 days in a row and didn't even bring my package. And then they brought it today and didn't even say nothing, didn't knock on the door or nothing. Then these motherfuckers been stepping all on my shit. Yo, if my mirror to my vanity is cracked, I fucking know something. That's all I gotta say. Cause why the fuck would y'all do that? Y'all, who the fuck told me that this was a good idea? Now I had to call a motherfucker to come help me do this shit. Cause child, it is so many in pieces. Like, why did this girl on a Facebook reel convince me to get this shit? Oh my god. Okay, y'all. So everything is finally done. I got the top on here. The light and everything works really good. I put the glass pieces in here. All my drawers. And I'm loving it. Now it's time to stock. And I have to take this tape off. Because this is what's keeping this glass in here. Like if you were to take this off, this glass piece will just fall straight out. So if you ever take this down, you want to make sure that you tape this back up before you pull this part off or this part off. Because really, when you take it apart, this whole piece can come off as one piece, and then this can be one piece, and it'll be easier to move. Also, you're gonna have like a couple little screws and stuff left. You know what I'm saying? Don't be alarmed about that. And also some things in there to hook it up to the wall, but I'm not hooking this to no wall. Like, it's sturdy enough by itself. And then we just have the cabinet with 2 shelving space, but you can move this up or down depending on where you want it, because it's 3 different levels. And yeah, baby. Now I gotta put all that makeup that's over there over here. Yeah, my day is full. So 8 hours later, and this is where we're at. Ciao.